My people, it don't happen again, it don't bust, so it don't scatter. No be small something, my people. I know say most of una know this man. Hey, Dino Minaye, he don't come out again, my people. No be small woto na he give Tinubu, my people. As I dey talk to na, he say me Tinubu may return the certificate. He say Tinubu na man when they push organ. No be small thing. He say man when they push organ, no fit be Nigeria president. My people, no be small thing. He say Tinubu na he be the master. Say Tinubu can never be Nigeria president. My people, as I cross this one, I will actualize. May not come be say I too talk. Make una listen to Dino Milaye way for attack Tinubu.
My name is Dino Milaye. I salute you in the course of our nation history. I am here today to emphasize that Bola Ahmed Tinubu cannot be our president. And I also want to call on the judiciary that the judiciary cannot create a president for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. A president will only be created by democratic due process through electioneering processes. And anyone voted for popular votes in this country will be the president of this country. Never will we allow the judiciary to create a president for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And a drug baron, a certified drug baron, cannot be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And I'm using this opportunity to call on President Muhammadu Buhari, who in 1985 sentenced his government, actually, sentenced 3 people to death, and they were indeed executed. They were indeed murdered. 3 drug barons arrested during his regime in 1985 were summarily executed. They were killed by that government. So a man who executed drug barons and drug traffickers under his watch in 1985 will now, on May 29, hand over the Federal Republic of Nigeria to a drug baron. It is time for Buhari to think, it is time for the Nigerian judiciary to think that a certified drug baron who has been indicted and money was deducted from his account to the tune of over $400,000. You can calculate that in Naira today. Will want to say he wants to be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. No! An Escobar Pablo cannot be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We say no to it, and we'll continue to agitate, we'll continue to ask questions, we'll continue to protest, we'll continue to agitate within legal means to prove a point that, a drug baron cannot be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And the battle to salvage this country from economic cankerworms and financial scavengers, this battle to make sure that Nigeria is not declared as the drug capital of the world. Already we are the poverty capital of the world. The battle to get that done is a battle of no retreat, no surrender. We will survive.
My people, sure, and I don't listen to Dino Minaye. No be smart, no. He said Tinubu can never be Nigeria president. Say me Tinubu may return the certificate. As I talk to Nana, Dino Minaye don't join obedient to. No be small matter. He say person when they said drug, no fee lead Nigeria. Say me he kaba. Say Tinubu no water. Say me Tinubu may return that certificate. So be to fast. If foot no step Asu rock. My people, as they talk to now, my people not be small something no. Dino Milaye say he no sleep again. On I not say in papa, when in the support, the man when in the support, that one don't step down. Now, he be don't quiet. Now, he don't come out. Cause say mehi kaba, say the I when take the Siam, say no, not be Tinubu. Now he win that election. He say me Tinubu return certificate. Oh, say that certificate not be Tinubu. Oh no, not be smart. He say person when they tiff the lie, when they say all go drug, no fee be Nigeria president. My people as I cross this one, watch the lives. Not be small something. Now I want for live una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao everyone. Bye.